In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Google Gemini as virtual assistant on Android. If you've tried Gemini and prefer the classic Google Assistant experience, this quick walkthrough will help you switch back. We'll do everything right inside the Google app on your Android device, and I'll explain what each option means so you know exactly what you're changing. First, open the Google app on your phone. This is the app with the multicolored G icon. If you have multiple Google-related apps, make sure you're in the main Google app, not Chrome or the Play Store. Give it a second to load your home feed. Next, go to Settings. In most cases, you'll find Settings by tapping your profile picture or initial in the top right corner of the Google app, then choosing Settings from the menu that appears. This area controls how the Google app behaves, including search, notifications, and your assistant options. Inside Settings, look for the Gemini section and tap it. This is where Google groups all the preferences related to Gemini on your device. If you don't immediately see Gemini in the list, try scrolling. Depending on your app version and region, the label might take a moment to appear. If it's still missing, make sure your Google app is up to date. Features sometimes roll out gradually. Within the Gemini settings, tap Digital Assistant. This option controls which assistant your phone uses when you trigger it, like with a long press of the power button, a corner swipe on some devices, or a voice command if you have that enabled. Think of Digital Assistant as the default assistant switch for your device. Now select Google Assistant. Choosing Google Assistant here disables Gemini as your default virtual assistant on Android and restores the familiar assistant experience. You may see a brief confirmation or a momentary pause while the change applies. After this, anytime you use your assistant shortcut, your phone should open Google Assistant instead of Gemini. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind. The exact wording and placement of these options can vary slightly by device brand, Android version, and region, but the flow is the same. Open the Google app, go to Settings, enter Gemini, then Digital Assistant, and switch to Google Assistant. If you ever want to try Gemini again, you can return to the same Digital Assistant screen and switch back with a single tap. Also, note that disabling Gemini as your assistant doesn't remove Gemini features from other Google apps. It simply changes which assistant opens by default. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Gemini as your virtual assistant and set Google Assistant as the default on your Android device.